Ouch, 429. Oof. Well, good day, everybody, and welcome to this highway fuel mileage test of this 2016 Toyota Corolla. Now, this was the 11th generation Corolla, so it's not the current one that's out right now. But if you're in the used car market for something reliable, efficient, and just fairly pleasant to drive with not a lot of thought, then these Corollas are something that'll probably be on your shopping list. It definitely was for ours. We just recently purchased this in this crazy used car market, and we found a diamond in the rough. This is a 2016 with only 25,000 miles on it, and it is in a top trim with all the bells and whistles. So a very pleasant find. These are rated, these 11th generations are rated for roughly 29 in the city, 37 out on the highway. There's no turbochargers, there's nothing fancy going on here. This is just 132 horsepower, 128 pound-feet of torque under the hood. So everything about this, because it's paired with a CVT, is designed to give you optimal fuel economy. So we're going to get this out there and give it a whirl. We're going to go top it off at the gas station and we'll get out on the highway. Now, the other thing is we have a full review of this 2016. Again, if you're in the used car market, you should put these on your list. For us, we weren't looking for anything sporty to drive. We really just wanted a no-brainer extra car, given the fact that we do have a Volkswagen GLI that is probably takes a little bit more care and feeding. So anyway, let's get this out on the highway and we'll comment on how it drives out there, and we'll see what we get today on our 111-mile highway test loop. All right, getting her up to speed on the highway here. Again, just 132 horsepower, but you know, with the CVT, it does pretty good as far as getting up to speed. So we're gonna try to do 70 miles per hour average. We have our GPS down here to sort of confirm that, and it looks like our speedometer is a couple miles per hour short. So we'll go ahead and increase and we'll try to use the cruise control as much as we can. So again, we got about 55 miles out, and then we'll turn around and comment there. So we'll see you at the turnaround. Okay, so we're coming up on our halfway turnaround point. It's about 55 miles out. You can see the trip computer is saying 37.4. Now our route is very up and down hilly, and so obviously that probably affects things overall. Elevation change isn't a whole lot over this leg out, but it is up and down. So 37.4, let's just see here, we've averaged 65 miles per hour. Yeah, and we've been doing pretty good. So we'll turn around here. Corolla's proven to be a very pleasant little highway cruiser, and yeah, so let's turn around and get her back to the gas station. Okay, so we're back at the gas station. We just filled up, and our trip computer is telling us 37.4. Now, we started the trip, reset the trip computer about 4 miles late, so it's 111 miles according to the GPS, and our trip computer is telling us 37.4. So it took us 2.92 gallons. So we had 111 on the GPS divided by 2.92 equals 38 miles per gallon. Okay, so not bad. We exceeded the EPA by 1 here. We met the EPA on the computer there. So given the margin of error, you know, plus or minus 1 mile per gallon, all in all, this is doing exactly what is expected of. Okay, so look for that other review on this entire Corolla. And again, thanks for watching today, and have a great morning, evening, or day wherever you are.